Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 Best Robot Vacuum Cleaner Reviews. Number 5. iRobot Roomba 960 Robot Vacuum with Alexa connectivity.
For cleaner floors throughout your entire home at the push of a button, meet the iRobot Roomba 900 series vacuum cleaning robot. The power to change the way you clean. The Roomba 900 series vacuum cleaning robot helps you keep up with everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation system, the 900 series seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system help the Roomba 900 series map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. While its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture, beneath its calm exterior, the Roomba 900 series cleaning system is hard at work. It automatically increases power on carpets and rugs, delivering up to 10 times the air power for an even deeper clean. The AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system balances the 3 components of effective vacuuming: agitation, brushing, and suction. And thanks to the new iRobot Home app, your powerful cleaning partner is always ready to go. You can start, schedule, and monitor the 900 series from just about anywhere and anytime. Cleaner floors every day, all at the push of a button. The Roomba 900 series. The power to change the way you clean.
Roomba 960 can run up to 70 minutes by one charging. The cleaner can recharge itself and go to work again. Designers of the iRobot designed the cleaner to work on the various surface. Now you can control your robot cleaner by voice command. Brand, iRobot. Weight, 8.6 pounds. Model, R960. Battery, lithium-ion. Color, black plus silver. Dimension, 13.80 into 13.8 into 3.6 inches. Number 4. iRobot Roomba 650 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Dirt detector sensor ensures the best cleaning experience. The robot cleaner can clean carpet and hard floor without keeping any dirt tracing. 27-degree angled side brush can remove dirt from the wall corner. Roomba is always ready to clean by using its self-charging ability. Brand, iRobot. Weight, 11.8 pounds. Model, R6500020. Color, black. Battery, lithium-ion. Dimension, 13.4 into 3.60 into 13.4 inches. Number 3. ECOVACS DEEBOT N79S Robot Vacuum Cleaner with Alexa connectivity. maximum suction power of the ECOVACS N79S doesn't leave any loose dirt in your room. This intelligent cleaner can clean automatically without waiting for your command. ECOVACS smartphone app helps to control the cleaner easily. The ECOVACS N79S can reach even the tight places for cleaning. Brand, ECOVACS. Weight, 7.05 pounds. Model, N79S. Color, brass. Battery, lithium, ion. Dimension, 13 x 13 x 3.1 inches. Number 2. UFI Boost iRobot 11S Slim. UFI-made iRobot can reach extremely tight places like under the bed or sofa set. The UFI T2108 can suck any dirt from your floor with its 1300 power fully vacuum. UFI T2108 can go through the door ledge to clean everywhere. The cleaning machine can run about 100 minutes with one charging. Brand, UFI. Weight, 5.73 pounds. Model, T2108. Color, black. Battery, lithium, ion. Dimension, 12.8 x 12.8 x 2.9 inches. Number 1. iRobot Roomba 980 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The intelligent iRobot can record the cleaning track and can control multiple rooms to clean them. Boosted 10x air power can blow out the hidden dirt from carpet. You can customize your cleaning schedule and preference by using the iRobot app. Alexa or Google Assistant can control the iRobot Roomba 980 vacuum cleaner. Brand, iRobot. Weight, 8.7 pounds. Model, R9800020. Color, black. Battery, lithium, ion. Dimension, 13.9 x 13.9 x 3.6 inches.
All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best one!